These are pretty. I don't see any bugs in them. That's why I stopped to pick them. I only want about 10 or so. Staghorn Sumac, pink lemonade, or tea. I never get mine to turn out all that pink. I've seen some northern stuff and some people do stuff where it turns out really pink. This is Staghorn. This is not winged or shining sumac. I want to say something about the medicinal value of this. This is anti-cancer. This is a super immune builder. It is a super antioxidant. It's good for respiratory. It's good for urinary tract infection. It's got a bunch of medicinal values. So this is a preventative medicine. I'm not a doctor. I'm not telling anyone to take this if you're sick. I'm telling you to go to the doctor if you're sick. But preventative medicine keeps you from going to the doctor. This pink lemonade, I call it a tea. It has a flavor that I really enjoy. And it helps with lowering blood sugar, by the way, and urinary tract infections, respiratory, circulation, so many different things. But this is how I make the tea. I take this much water usually. So I'm looking at a quart to a quart and a half. I'm a dump cook, so I never measure anything out. And I just kind of roll these in there like this. And this is cold water infusion. I don't boil my sumac. And it's these fine hairs on that we're after. And I'm just going to roll it off my fingers on there. Now, you don't have to do this. You can put the whole head in there. The plant itself, the inner pulp of the stalk of the stem, isn't going to hurt you in a cold water infusion or a hot water infusion. I use a cold water infusion, and what I'm going to do is let this set for 6 to 12 hours. And of course, I'm going to pour it through cheesecloth, and we'll have our pink lemonade. I just wanted to show you guys. It's really not that complicated to make. You'll have to flavor this with honey or sugar to your own taste. I don't add any because I like the taste. It's tangy, it's zesty. I really don't see a need for adding an artificial sweetener in there. As most people who know me say, I'm already sweet enough. So why ruin a good thing by overdoing it? So I will show you guys this after it is done. And I'll drink it so you know that I'm telling the truth about how delicious it is. I'll share some with you. See you in a few hours. That's basically how I do it. I got a strainer, and then I use cheesecloth, 2 layers thick. I'll push it down in here. Dawn loves it when I make messes. And then slowly try to pour it through without making a mess. I have less than 3 hours involved in this tea. Pink lemonade, whatever you want to call it. And And this is the end result. I just refrigerate pink lemonade. This is really good stuff, and this is strong. I usually only drink about a cup a day, but I drink it after the summer sassafras. I switched to this stuff. Sumac pink lemonade. And you sweeten the taste. Make your own recipe. You'll just kind of have to fidget with how much water you want. I used 9 flower heads that were medium sized for about 1.5 quarts of water. You can see the level. About 1.5 quarts of water. It's got its own flavor. I don't think it's bitter. You'll just have to experiment with it and get it the way you like it. It really is good stuff. It's very healthy. It's good for you. I recommend you try it. Safe and happy foraging.